Hey guys, today I'm going to take you to the world's largest flea market in good old Canton, Texas. On my way, I decided to stop at one of Texas' most famous gas stations, Buc-ee's. Buc-ee's has a huge variety of different branded products, from peach pecan butter, jalapeno jelly, to my personal favorite, watermelon cotton candy. Buc-ee's is also well known for their different beef jerky and pulled brisket barbecue sandwiches, which are perfect for on the go. Okay, next stop, Canton Flea Market, also known as First Monday Trade Days. This huge flea market is open on the first weekend of every month. Parking only costs $5 and it's free to get in. It hosts over 5,000 different vendors selling a wide variety of items. Whatever you are looking for, you can definitely find it here. Because the market is so big, they also have scooters for rent if you get tired of walking. Me and my friends ended up renting some, and they ended up only being $8 for the day, which was a perfect way to get around. And let me tell you, they go pretty fast if you want them to. If you enjoy thrifting or have a man cave you're trying to furnish, this place is perfect for you. If you go check out First Monday Trade Days in Canton, Texas, tag me at Faraday TV so I can see what you end up buying. I'll also link their Instagram down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget, do something great.